Okay, next we are discussing about FBD, another thing, inclined planes. Okay, for example, I am taking one table. Here I am arranging one pulley. So from this pulley, we are suspending two blocks. One block mass M1 I am taking. This block I am taking as M2. Okay, now? Here this is frictionless surface. Frictionless surface means coefficient of friction is 0. So in this case, I am taking M1 is greater than the M2. Then what happens? M1G acting downward. This is creating tension. Same tension here also creating and pull. By using this, we are finding magnitude of acceleration. This is A. This is A. This two belongs to not a system. Why? It is coming downward. Y direction. It is moving X direction. Vectors different, direction different. So it is not a. These two are not belongs to same system, but having same magnitude. Now I am finding magnitude and tension. For the purpose, you take FBD. Now we go to FBD to M1. FBD to M1. Then what happens if this is M1? M1G acting downward and tension acting upward, but system moving downward with an acceleration of A. Now what is the F net equals to M1G minus tension because moving downward. If it moves upward, tension moves. Now what is the formula for F equals to MA? MA means M1A, that equals to M1G minus tension. This is my first equation. Similarly, you take FBD to M2. FBD to M2. So what about M2? If this is M2, M2G acting downward and another normal reaction creating upward. Vertically no motion, so these two are balanced. Now remaining thing what? Only tension. So that only my net force. Now what the F net? F net equals to tension. F equals to what? MA, because in this direction moving with a magnitude of acceleration A. So F equals what I am writing? M2A, that equals to tension. This is my second equation. By solving these two equations, we are getting tension and the acceleration. Understood now? Quick. Okay. Now what we are doing? By solving these two equations, we are getting tension and acceleration. See here? Now, what is the tension M2A? Substitute in the first equation. What implies M1A that equals to M1G minus tension. This implies M1A that equals to M1G minus tension equals what I am writing? M2A. This is coming this side. So M1A plus M2A that equals to M1G. Here I am taking A common. So M1 plus M2 that equals to M1G. Now what is the acceleration? This implies acceleration that equals to M1G by M1 plus M2. This is my equation number 3. This is the magnitude of acceleration of these two blocks. What is the perfect acceleration of the M1? A into minus J. What is the acceleration of this M2 block? A into I. That is the acceleration. Exactly vectors. Now what is the tension? This implies second equation. T equals to M2A. So what about T? M2 into what is the A? M1G by M1 plus M2. This is the tension and this is the acceleration. Belongs to magnitude of acceleration of the blocks. Here I showed you that what happened. M1 into blocks are suspended by one pulley in this way. Base is 5 meters, this is 3 meters, this is 4 meters. Now what are we finding? Acceleration of the M1 block and acceleration of the M2 block. Magnitude same only. If you want direction, we are getting that inside. So we are finding magnitude of acceleration and tension with the question. Okay. So in this case, this angle theta 1 taking, this theta 2 taking, this theta 3 taking. But this angle is not given. In this case, just you observe the sides. 3 meters, 4 meters, 5 meters. This is creating right angle triangle. Once you check this, 3 square plus 4 square that is equal to 5 square. 3 square equal to what? 9. 5 square equal to 4 square equal to 69. This is equal to 25. What happened here? 25 equals to 20. Balanced. 5 levels are balanced. Okay, no? So this is creating right angle triangle. In this, which is the more side? 5 meters is the big side. So opposite is called 90 degrees. So automatically theta 3 equals to 90 degrees. This is creating right angle triangle. Okay, now we go to FB. What we are taking? FB to M1. So this is inclined plane. What it is? Inclined plane. I am assuming these all are smooth surfaces. What is the coefficient of friction? 0. Smooth surface, not rough surface. So What is the angle here? This is theta 2 I am taking. So here what is the block? M1. Okay, na? So downward some force is there and it is creating some tension. On the inclined plane, downward how much force is there? ME sin theta. Remember that. Again I will explain that later. Okay, na? Downward how much force is there? ME sin theta. So here what is the M1? M1G sin theta 2. That much force is downward. Upward what is there? Tension. Frictionless surface. So there is no friction. Only tension is there. Now what is the net force? F net. It is coming downward means it is more M1 is sin theta more. So M1 is sin theta 2 minus tension. What is the formula for F? MA. MA is what? M1A. So M1A equals to M1G sin theta 2 minus T. So M1A that equals to M1G into sin theta. What is the formula for sin theta? If this is theta, this is opposite side. Remaining what? Adjacent side. Opposite side by hypotenuse. What writing? 3 by 5. What writing? 3 by 5 minus T. This is my first equation. Is it clear? Theta 2 only. This is the theta. This is called opposite side. If this is theta, this is called opposite side. Remaining adjacent that means. I am taking sin theta. What is sin theta? Opposite side by hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? 5. That's all. Similarly, I am taking to FBD. FBD to M2. What is this? FBD to M2. Same process. This is also inclined plane. Here, what is the angle? This is theta 1. Here, what is the mass? M2. So, what is the downward force? M2G sin theta. What is the tension? Upward. Whatever frictional force is 0 because smooth surface. Here, system moving upward. It is moving upward with A acceleration. So, which is more? Tension more. What we are taking? Tension more. Tell now. Now, what is the F net? F net equals to T minus M2G sin theta. F equals to what again? MA. So, what are we writing here? M2A. That equals to T minus M2G sin theta. So, what is the sin theta? Sin theta means this theta 1. Tell now. This implies M2A that equals to T minus M2G into sin theta. If this is theta 1, this is the opposite side. Remaining adjacent. What is opposite? 4 by 5. So, minus M2G into 4 by 5. This is my second equation. By solving 1 and 2 equations, we are getting tension and acceleration. Sometimes he not use what is the mass M1, what is the mass M2. Just he will give only values. He not use which is more. At that time you take anything. M1 more or M2 more. I am taking M1 more. In this way getting. Understood now? If acceleration is positive, what you are taking correct only. For example, acceleration I had got negative. Negative means what? Not downward, upward moving. That is the meaning of the negative value. Is it clear now? So, that is the process. Quick. Okay, now I am solving 1 and 2. From this we are getting tension and acceleration of the blocks. Okay, now? Okay, see here. Here T is the tension, D is the tension. So, both are having same tension. Downward A magnitude, upward A magnitude. Magnitude is the same one. So, you find tension first and magnitude of the acceleration. Okay, see here. What is the first equation? M1A that equals to M1G minus 3M1G by 5 minus T. What is the second equation? M2A that equals to
4
T minus
M2G
4M2G by 5. Second equation. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
First remove tension, that is a very easy way. So this is minus T plus T. Simply adding. What happens? M1A plus M2A that equals to minus T plus T cancel. Now what I am getting? 3M1G by 5 minus 4M2G by 5. Okay. Now I am taking A common. This implies A into M1 plus M2 that equals to, here I am taking M1G common. What I am taking? M1G by 5 common take. By 5 also there. So what I am getting here? 3 minus 4. So what about A? A into m1 plus m2, that equals to m1 g by 5 into minus 1. So A into m1 plus m2, that equals to minus m1 g by 5. So what about integration? Minus m1 g by 5 into 1 by m1 plus m2. Here what we have done? Minus. Minus means what? What I have assumed m1 is more mass given, so we are assuming it is moving downward, but not happens like that. Minus means what? Reverse going. Minus means what? Reverse going. This is weight also more also, no problem. Going upward because angle also affecting on that. Clear now? That is about acceleration. Understood? We had assumed like it's downward, but not k plus. Minus k means what? Reverse going. So, of substituting in the first equation, we are getting h. Clear now? Of substituting this a value in the first equation, we are getting h because a value means in all g comes everything g1. Clear now? Quick.